How to use saved activities within your study. Userlytics' Saved Activities feature allows users to save their favorite study activities in order to quickly reuse them in future studies. Saved activities are completely unique to you and your team and can help you stay consistent across studies and also provide helpful benchmarking analysis over time. Let's review how we can use the Saved Activities feature to streamline the study creation process even more effectively. How to save an activity to your library. Click on the menu option titled Activities within the test builder to design the activities your participants will complete during your study. Choose from the activity types on the left-hand side of the screen to begin with an activity template. You may then begin to fine-tune your activity by editing its text and adding special features like an image or a redirect URL. Once you're happy with your study activity, simply hit the heart icon button next to its title to add it to your library of saved activities. How to apply a saved activity to a new study. In order to add one of your saved activities to a new study, you must first enter your library of saved activities. To do this, click on the menu item on the top left-hand side of the Activities section of your study builder titled Saved Activities. After clicking the Saved Activities menu option, you'll be shown a list of all the activities you and your team members have saved. Find the one you'd like to add to your new study and click the button to the right of it that says Add. This activity will now appear in the activities and questions flow of your study. Now that you've learned how to save and reuse frequently used activities, creating new studies will be a breeze. Explore more of our videos to discover additional tips and tricks to master the art of usability testing with Userlytics.